Hey guys, it's Kara. Oh my god, I just told you that now after like almost the 50th video. Like, okay, I should have told you the first video, but I didn't. But, yeah. Come here, Nugget. I'm walking my dog right now. No, Nugget, there's cars coming. Gosh. If this car is nice enough to stop. Oh, they're not nice enough to stop. This car is not nice enough to stop. This car is not. None of these cars are nice enough to stop for me. I'm like, dude, you're nice. Not. Hurry, monkeys. Hurry. I'm jogging in the breezy air. Yep, it's kind of cold, but it's like 60 outside, so I'm okay. I'm not dying, as you can see. But okay, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Bye. Nugget, wait up.